Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I want to share with you how to do basic crochet stitches from single crochet to how to do a magic circle double crochet. I'm using this acrylic yarn and the crochet hook is 4.0. So I'm going to start with a slip knot. So you can tie your slip knot around your finger. That is a very simple way to tie the slip knots. And now there's another way, and the other way is to just hold your yarn and just twirl your hook around the yarn, and that is it. You have a slip knot. So you can just start with the foundation chains, and it is to just pull this yarn through the loop on your hook until you have your desired length of foundation chain. So foundation chain is really simple to make. These are the basic things that you need to know if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to do crochet. So these crochet stitches are very easy. Now moving from foundation chain, now we have the chain. Moving on to the next stitch, and that will be a single crochet stitch. And to do a single crochet stitch, you need a foundation chain. Going to the next, we go to the chain space, we'll pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook. We'll pull through those 2 loops. We'll go into the next chain, pull up a loop, have 2 loops on the hook, pull through the 2. So it's a single crochet. So we crochet it just once. So you have 2 loops, we pull through the 2. So this is how to do the single crochet stitch. This is really easy. So I'm going to continue to do this stitch until I get to the end of the foundation chain. That is the last stitch. Now if you want to continue to just repeat this row, just going to chain 1 and turn your work around, and now you're going to go into the next chain. And now to find the next chain is you're going to start doing your the next stitch. You're going to do your next stitch, and it's going to be just right below this V. So you're going to walk below the V shape, so you're walking into stitch. So that is what we call a stitch. So we'll repeat the same thing what we did on the previous row. We'll pull up a yarn, insert our hook into the stitch, pull up a yarn, and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. So I'm on the last stitch there. I'm just going to do the final single crochet stitch, and this is how to do a single crochet stitch. I hope you understand. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Now to do a half double crochet stitch, you're going to start again with a foundation chain, and to do a half double crochet, I'm going to yarn over. So yarn over like that, go into the chain, next chain, you pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, and you pull through the 3 loops. That is a half double crochet. We're going to repeat the same thing. 3 loops on the hook, pull through the 3. Then we're going to yarn over, go into the next chain, 3 loops on the hook, pull through the 3. Yarn over, go into the next, 3 loops, pull through the 3. This is really simple crochet stitches. So I'm just going to repeat this until I get to the end of this chain. So I'm done with this row. So now if you want to continue like I did for the single crochet, you're just going to chain 1 and turn this work around, yarn over and repeat the same thing, going under the boat V, under the boat loop, and to do the half double crochet stitch. And we yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. So this is how to do a half double crochet stitch. Moving on to the next stitch, which is a double crochet stitch. To do the double crochet stitch, we're going to start with a foundation chain as well. I'm going to yarn over like a half double crochet. We're going to yarn over once, go into the next chain, then you pull through two loops. You have 3 loops on the hook. You pull through 2 loops, then you pull through the last 2 loops. This is how to do a double crochet stitch. You yarn over, go into the next chain. You have 3 loops on the hook. You yarn over, pull through 2, sorry, you pull through the last 2. Go into the next, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. You're going to yarn over, go into the next, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. So this is how to do a double crochet stitch. I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm going to just continue now. I'm going to chain 1, turn my work around. If you want to continue for the next row for your stitch, we're going to do what we have done previously, going under the boat loops, under the V shape, that is a stitch, to continue to do a double crochet stitch, to do your double crochet stitch. It's really simple. So we're just going to repeat the same thing, go under the stitch, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. So this is the last double crochet for this row, and you can see that this stitch is a little bit taller than the single crochet, and it's taller than the half double crochet stitch. So the double crochet stitch is a little bit taller, is in the length. So moving on to the next, which is the triple crochet stitch. But yeah, as it is called the triple crochet stitch, that means you're going to crochet 3 times. So I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook twice. We have the first one, we'll wrap it up. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now we're going to go into I'm going to repeat that again, so just to be clear, we wrap it around twice. Now we go into the chain, pull up a loop. We are going to have a total of 4 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through 2. That is the first crochet. Pull through 2. That's the second. Pull through the last 2. So that is a triple crochet. Again, I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook around the yarn twice. Go into the next chain. Pull through 2 loops. We have 3 left. Pull through 2 loops again, pull through the last 2 loops, then wrap my yarn twice, go into the next chain, just repeat the same thing. Pull through 2 loops. We have 3 left. Pull through 2 loops. We have 2 left. Pull through the last 2. So this is how to do a triple crochet stitch, and you can see the triple crochet stitch is taller. It's taller than the double crochet stitch. I'm just going to go ahead and just do this stitch until I get to the end of this row, just to show you it up to the end. So this is the last stitch. So I'm done. I'm not going to continue, but you can continue. If you want to continue, you know what to do is to chain one and turn your work around, and just continue to do it for the other round, for the other row, sorry. And this is how to do a triple crochet stitch. I hope you understand this tutorial. Please leave a comment in the comment section. And lastly, I'm going to show how to do a magic circle or magic ring. I'm going to wrap this around my 2 fingers. I'm going to show this one more time. To do a magic circle, most of the time most people complain about getting it right. I'm going to show this one more time. So I'm just going to get 2 fingers there, then wrap this yarn around and make a X shape like this. So when I have this X shape, I'm just going to get my hook under and pull the yarn beneath and just pull out my fingers, and you can work in the magic circle. There is another method to the magic circle. Another method is to tie your yarn in this shape, then just hold it in the hand in between there, just hold it with the tip of your finger and pull a yarn through that circle and do a chain one, and there you have it. You can walk into the magic circle. So this is how to do a magic circle. I hope you love this tutorial. Do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you. See you in the next one.